On the video. There we go. Good job.
Alright, place your bets here. I got the gray one. Hey, you win.
It's sad. They can't even do it. I'm totally screwed. Like, okay, alright. I've got your beat.
Keep on the video.
Oh, I am.
Okay.
I've got this video down.
It's a better one for you. Ow, that's my nose. My head.
Come on, go punch it.
Like how everyone's...
They've got each other's noses. They're like ripping.
There we go.
They're just like...
I just like made it go away. I was getting closer.
Jeez, violent.
Did they fight over a woman's seagull?
We're making a scene.
Dude, they're like making fans. Ew! Scared the poop out of him.
Nobody even watches it yet.
I just want to kick both of them. What the heck?
It's pretty cool.
Look at watching.
Oh yeah, everyone's crowding around. Except the only thing difference is Mr. Ramirez isn't going.
Oh my god! Oh my gosh, Hunter, yes!